So you want to run a digital marketing agency. Sounds cool, right? But let me tell you, being a CEO isn't just about knowing ads or social media. It's about leading a team, growing the business, and making sure you don't crash and burn. If you're thinking about starting or scaling an agency, you need to know what a CEO actually does. And trust me, it's way more than just signing contracts. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, set the vision. Know where you're going. Imagine getting into a car, but you have no idea where you're headed. That's what running a business without a vision looks like. Your job as a CEO is to know exactly where you want your agency to go. Ask yourself, do I want to work with big brands or small businesses? Do I want a huge agency with over 100 employees or a lean, high-profit team? What makes my agency different from every other marketing company out there? Big agencies like VaynerMedia didn't become successful by accident. They had a clear direction and stuck to it. Step 2, build a killer team. You can't do it alone. A CEO's job isn't to run Facebook ads or write blog posts. It's to find the best people to do those things. Think of a basketball team. The coach, that's you, doesn't play in the game. Their job is to recruit the best players, create the right strategy, make sure everyone works together. Hiring is everything. You need SEO pros who know how to rank websites, ad specialists who can turn $1 into $5, content creators who make brands look amazing, and most importantly, people who believe in your vision and aren't just looking for a paycheck. Step 3, get clients, because no clients equals no business. Here's the reality. You can have the best team, but if you can't bring in clients, your agency is dead. There are 2 ways to get clients. Number 1, inbound marketing. Create content, build a brand, and let clients come to you. Takes time, but builds long-term trust. Number 2, outbound sales. Cold emails, LinkedIn DMs, and networking. Faster, but requires effort. Big agencies invest heavily in personal branding. Look at Elon Musk. He's everywhere. People want to work with him because he built authority. So start posting on LinkedIn. Make YouTube videos or write blog posts. The more value you put out, the more clients will trust you. Speaking of growing a business, one of the smartest ways agencies keep their clients coming back is through loyalty programs. Think about it. Businesses spend thousands on marketing to get new customers. But what if they focused on keeping the ones they already have? That's exactly what Boomerangme.biz helps with. They create digital loyalty programs that keep customers coming back again and again. If you run an agency, offering loyalty solutions is a game changer. Check out Boomerangme.biz and see how it works. Step 4. Manage the money. Profits matter more than revenue. Making $100K a month sounds great, but if your expenses are $99K, you're really not making money. A good CEO knows their numbers. How much does it cost to run the agency? What's the profit margin on each service? How much should you reinvest into growth? A lot of agencies fail because they scale too fast without managing their cash flow. Don't be that guy. Step 5, build the brand. Stand out in a crowded market. There are thousands of digital marketing agencies. Why should a client choose you? The best agencies don't just sell services. They sell a brand, a feeling, a unique approach. Example, Harmon Brothers, the guys behind viral ads like Squatty Potty. They don't just say, hey, we do marketing. They have a unique style and reputation that makes them stand out. Ask yourself, what makes my agency different? Do we specialize in a certain industry? Do we have a unique way of doing marketing? Branding isn't just a logo. It's how people feel about your agency. Step 6, keep learning. Because digital marketing changes fast. Facebook ads from 2018 don't work in 2025. SEO changes. Algorithms shift. If you're not learning and adapting, you're falling behind. The best CEOs are always ahead of the curve. They go to industry events like Traffic and Conversion Summit, stay on top of trends by following marketing leaders, experiment with new strategies before everyone else. If you stop learning, your agency stops growing. The secret to winning as a CEO. There's a reason some agencies grow fast while others struggle. It's not luck, it's strategy. The best CEOs aren't just great marketers. They know how to lead teams, attract clients, scale without burning out. That's how you win in 2025. If you're serious about growing your agency, you need the right strategies. And that's exactly what we cover on this channel. Want to stay ahead? Hit subscribe, leave a comment, and start scaling smarter today.